Hello, I want to tell you my funny anecdote, so let's start. Okay, it was a sunny day of autumn, and my father and I decided to go out for a walk. We were walking along the street, watching the trees, hearing the birds, when suddenly we heard a woman shouting, "The child, please, catch my child, he ran away!" We looked at the woman. She looked like an old and obese woman who seemed to walk with difficulty. My father said to me, "Run and catch the boy." I started to run, but I couldn't see any child. I said to me, "Okay, maybe he runs a lot." So I continued running. I passed a man, but nobody with the aspect of a child. Suddenly I saw a little boy. He was playing with a girl outside of a bar. At first it seemed a little strange to me, but he was the only child in the street. So I took his hand and started to walk in the direction of the woman. Suddenly somebody came out of the bar and started to shout, "What are you doing?" At the same time the woman said, "No, this is not my song. My song is this," pointing to the man. Because of that I was blushed and very confused. She caught the man, and when he turned around, I saw that he was a man with Down syndrome. And for the first time, I understood what was happening there. The child was this old man. I remember that I looked to my father, and he was cracking up. After that, he explained to the worried parents of the real child that what was happening there. And I was so embarrassed that I couldn't say nothing. So, this is my funny history, my friends. Well, not so funny for me, but this day I learned two important lessons. The first, everything isn't as it seems. And the second one, and important too, ask before start to run.